Hey, what's up guys? Victor here with PhoneArena, and this is a video recording on the OnePlus 6. We're shooting in 4K 60, so let's go, follow me around to first test the video stabilization. So the phone is handheld, you should be able to tell whether it has good video stabilization or not. It has optical image stabilization on the main camera. So now let's move the phone around to see how it adjusts to different lighting conditions. See if you have the lighter parts in the sky, how it's able to adjust. And then let's move to the darker parts here, so it's able to change the exposure to a different setting. Okay, so now I'll step out of the frame real quick and we'll test the continuous autofocus feature. Here's my hand. Let's give the phone time to refocus on my hand. Take it back. Once again, my hand, the background. Let's try it quicker. And you will be able to tell me whether the phone is able to refocus. And finally, let's zoom all the way in to see how much zoom you get here. You get digital zoom in 4K. So zooming all the way in and then zooming all the way back out. So this is a quick test of 4K 60 video recording on the OnePlus 6. Thanks for watching.